So to start analysis, like I mentioned in the previous video, we have to make sure everything is in connection, everything is placed. So home is there, then on the pump it's already flow rate is 0.2, so for analysis, for demo purpose, it's fine. Then column, like I said, we can make it 30, 40, 50, anything based on our program. Then like I said, RI should be ready. Most of the time RI takes time, so we don't turn on, like I said. So this is what I mean. So this is now ready, it's green. So since it's green, we can click on the UVVs. So in the audit we can say like UVVs lamp ignite, so ignition happen. So once it's ready, these two ticks will show. So in this ticking, actually you have to click only one time, you don't have to repeat the clicking. So this UV lamp, especially the upper one, will take little more time to turn on, so you can leave it. Then so now this lamp is on, so we are waiting for the UV, so it will come after some time. So this is the way. Always audit will tell us what is going on with the match. So like you see, UV lamp is now on. If we go back, we can see it's on. So now it means everything is ready, pump is going, temperature is already ready, UV is also on, RI is ready. So it means like we can do our analysis. So we go to the data. So on the data, we have sequence, right? So for example, I will go to mine. Okay, then what I will do, I will give it a name. Now it's a little slow because a lot of data is there. Okay, so it will open like this, the sequence. So you can do right click on the right corner and you can say like bottom. Okay, so you can quickly navigate. So you can see so far I have done around 500 tree analysis. Actually I'm not using this active, this Rajiv is using this HPLC active, so I didn't do that much of analysis. So here there is a click, so we'll click on that. Every time there will be another click, so we can give the name here. Okay, the name here already. So like we said previously, our processing method, everything is set here, so we don't have to do anything. So since we have created our sequence, so in the data, so I can say this name as a test, for example. Sorry, so test. Okay, so I will enter, then I will resume it. So as in it's continuing. Actually this is not a resume type of analysis, but I will click on the resume. So it will ask me to save it. So to save it, I will say save it. Okay, then now when you see this green, it means this sequence is under process. So there is a stop here. So if you want to stop it, maybe you think like you made a mistake or something, you can click on this stop and it will stop. But if it is okay, then this green shows like it's on run. So you can go to instrument and you can go to the audit. So here the message will be displayed which says inject. Okay, waiting for your injection, like that. So we'll wait till that message arrives. Then once that message, I can show you somewhere, maybe so anyways, when it's ready, in the audit you will see waiting for injection, something like that will appear. So once that waiting for injection, now maybe it's getting time, it's taking little time because this is red. Okay, so I can make it 30 because it's on running now. I can't change it, so I will stop this one. So immediately I will stop it. Okay, so I will go to the column and I will make this one 30. Okay, so that it will be green. So once it is not green, it will not work because it was previously 50, because my analysis was used to be performed at 50, that's why. So this was not ready, that's why it took time. But now because it's 30, it will readjust, or to make it simple we can make it 33 so that it will turn green quickly. Okay, so now it's green. I just set it to 40 just to make it quick. So then like I said, we'll come to data, and on the test, actually if you want to remove also, you can delete or you can insert in between. That's not an issue. So I can resume. Okay, I will release the hold and I will click on resume, then I will save it. So when we come to the audit, so like I said, when you go to the audit, it will say waiting for injection response. So once this message comes, then what we will do is we will inject. Okay, so to inject, as you can see, this is our injection port. Okay, so what we will do is, first this will be closed every time, okay, to maintain the syringe tip clean. So this is our syringe tip. So this, we will take our syringe, maybe the syringe which contains the sample, like this. Okay, so then for now I just have distilled water, just normal, I mean milky water. So I will take that one. So we will rinse it 2 to 3 times, depending on your sample. It's better to go with 10 times even if your sample is sticky or something like that. So after doing that, to inject, make sure there is no bubble. Okay, so there is no bubble inside, because it will create a back pressure. So make sure there is no bubble. Then once you do that, you will move this to the load position. Okay, so upward is load position. So sometimes you can face this sound. So this sound, I'm glad like it appears. So it's saying pump upper pressure exceeds. So when this thing happen, all you have to do is you have to turn off and turn on again. Okay, so this is what you have to do. Then like I said, whenever you want to inject, it will be in the load position. Okay, then now since it's turned off, I have to connect it again. Okay, here, so I'll connect it again. Okay, then now I will try in the load position. Then you put your syringe, then you will put, so you will see at the back droplet, right? 1, 2, 3 droplet is enough, because it will only take 20 microliter, like I said. So once it's finished, then quickly you have to inject it. So once you inject here in the screen, you will see in the data section the analysis. Actually it stopped because the disconnection happened, that's why. But generally this is how you inject your sample. While after starting, you will go and you will inject it, when it shows waiting for your sample, then the analysis will continue. Okay, once it's over, once your run time is over, then you will get some kind of this kind of peaks, okay, depending on your sample. And if you label it, like I said, in the processing method, it will show you the name. Or if you don't label it, on your test runs, you will know at which retention time. Here it shows the retention time. Okay. Here it shows the retention time. So based on that retention time, there is area here. So you can check and you can take that area for your analysis. So basically this is how you analyze using this HPLC. Okay.